Guys, welcome to another cool video, and today I'm here at the preview event of the Skoda Octavia 2021, which is actually there right behind me. It's yet to be unveiled, and this year, you know, the Skoda theme is green, right? That's probably why my face is really green right now, and you can see these green lights that's there everywhere, emphasizing on the Skoda fact. So yeah, and also this is a new showroom of Skoda, which is like right beside the Mercedes-Benz showroom in there. So yeah, earlier they were in another building like 2 blocks away, but right now this is a new one and it's a completely renovated showroom. So I'm still actually discovering this place. I mean, it just tends to be infinite of showroom. I mean, like that. You can see how big it is, right? It's huge. It's actually mainly the pre-owned and sold lot. You can see how big that is. Like, that's actually really huge.
New Skoda Octavia 2021. Wow, that was quite impressive score. Thank you for the team who worked so hard to see all of this impressive 3D mapping. And now I will tell you in a brief about the all-new Skoda 2021 A8, which has two terms, ambition and style, with 1.4 TCI engine, which gives 150 net horsepower. With all-new gearbox, AQ300 and 8-speed transmission.
So guys, the unveil is done. So right now let's have a look at the car. It's pretty cool actually. It's a new facelifted version. So let's check it out. Get this glossy black shark fin antenna, which looks very nice. And now let's have a look at these rear tail lights. So you see this, like That's so cool. Like that's actually very cool. Like it has a diamond kind of design to it. That looks amazing. And you get these swiping indicators in the back, which looks pretty cool. Then you can see like the parking sensors located over here on the rear, and actually the car looks pretty good. I'm impressed. I mean, it looks actually pretty good. You get this big Skoda badge over here, which is a new thing, and you also get an Octavia written over here. Looks nice. So let's quickly have a look at the boot. So it is an electric boot. And the big question here is that what do the rear passengers get? Well, you see this nice chrome finish that goes over here on the rear doors. It looks amazing. We have these blinds over here, which I believe should be, yeah. So you have these blinds over here, which can be, you know, put for blocking the sun, which is pretty useful. You have enough amount of storage over here. That's nice. And we get this leather upholstery for the seats with this white stitching, and also you can see perforation in certain areas, which means that it's pretty well ventilated in this cabin. We also have a armrest over here, which can be folded out, and inside this we have a cup holder, and you can also get access to the boot by just pulling this flap over here, so it actually gives you access to the boot. The rear seats are actually very comfortable, like they're really good, and these feel amazing. Like here we get actually an iPad cover, which is very thoughtful of Skoda, and we also get these chrome finished AC vents over here, which look nice. Now let's go into the interior cabin. So we get this virtual cockpit over here, which looks amazing and carries exactly the Skoda design traits over there, which is very nice. And we get the Skoda that comes up when you switch on the car. That's amazing. Insanely cool badge over there, and with this virtual cockpit dials, it looks amazing, and very crystal clear display with sharp and contrasting colors. Looks really nice. Here we get all the instrument panel buttons, the hazard switch, and we also have the infotainment screen. The seats are actually ventilated and heated, so you have that ventilating and heating function over here. And then here we have the buttons for switching on these lights. Then you also have a place to keep your sunglasses, which I find very useful. And let's see the sun blinds. Oh, we have the lights placed up here, which is actually a very nice touch. And yes, I'm pretty visible in there. You can see my face. Hello guys. We get this nice ambient light that goes over here, which looks pretty cool. We get this fabric kind of finishing over here. It actually does feel very nice, like it. And also if you notice this top dashboard finish, it has a very crisscross stitching, which looks so premium. I mean the quality and fit and finish of the cabin interior is 10 on 10. I mean, it's really good. And these are the AC vents that we have over here. You have the diamond shaped AC vents, and here we have this gear, and you actually change it in a very cool method. Like you have this toggle switch, and you have the park button, so that's a really cool touch. Here we get a wireless charger and 2 USB-C ports, so it's very new on the technology actually. Here we get the parking brake, so it has an electronic parking brake, and this I believe is the flap. Yes. So we have this nice lid over here for the cup holders. You can open them by pulling this back. Now let's just cover the glove box, and the glove box also has a very nice damped effect when you open and close them, so that feels very nice. And it stands there without falling down, which is really good. And you have enough amount of space in there to keep your goodies. And if you notice in the top, well, no sunroof on this model. These are the headlights that we get on the Skoda Octavia, and we get the Skoda crystal lighting badge over here, and this is actually pretty cool. So if you notice the design of these lights, they actually look like crystals. How insane is that? Like, that's really cool. Like, that's something that you observe only on Skoda, like this much intense craftsmanship. Like, that's amazing. Also, if you notice more carefully into the light, you can see those stripes that go about. It's just absolutely crazy. This I believe is of course for the radar based cruise control, I guess. And yeah, we got this chrome finished grille over here on the exterior, which looks nice. And also you get this chrome lining that goes about over here. That's actually exactly similar to the Skoda Superb. These are the rims that we get on the car. They come with these Pirelli tires. I believe these are 18-inch rims. Just spoke to the brand manager of Skoda, so he just told me all the pricing and everything on this vehicle. So actually this particular vehicle, it's priced, I mean, this one is actually 105,000, which is the top variant. The starting Ambition variant actually costs about 89,900. So yeah, different variants are actually available across this one.